What's up, guys? So today I installed a fuel pressure gauge. You definitely need one of those, like everyone recommends it. So I went with Glowshift, and usually I do a lot of reviews before I buy something, but for some reason this time I didn't, and I just went ahead and bought a Glowshift fuel pressure gauge. And after buying one, I found out that a lot of people don't like them and they're not the best quality. So that's pretty disappointing. But I'm just gonna roll with it for now. But yeah, after this video, you'll definitely see why people don't recommend them, because I ran into an issue with it. But for now, I'm just gonna put some clips in of installing it, and then I'll talk about what the major problem was. So unfortunately, I wanted to do a little bit more video of the actual installation progress, but I was in a hurry. I was at a buddy's house, and I had to go eat dinner with my mom that night, so I was just trying to speed up the process and wasn't focusing too much on filming. So I'll just show you the clips I did it, and then we'll go over it and I'll talk about the installation progress. So let's go. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's the actual fuel pressure sensor. So I plugged that right into the fast pump because it has a port on it. And then I took the wire and wired it all the way down from the bottom of the truck. So right here, I followed the fuel line all the way down and zip tied it, and I don't know what I was thinking, but right on the other side, this wire right here, it goes along the other side of the frame, and I should have followed this wire instead of the actual fuel line, but I don't think it'll be an issue. And I just went all the way down to the end, then up through the engine bay and followed some other wires up. Alright, so I can't get a really good shot of it, but oh wait, come on, focus. Focus. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I followed it up way down there, followed some other wires, and I came up right here. And then, if I can get the camera down in there. Oh yeah, there we go. Right in there, as you can see. See, get my hand in there. Right through, yeah, this is the wire. I went inside of this wire that goes through the firewall right here, and I shoved that through to get inside. And there it is right there. That's where it comes out from the inside. So I just wired it up through here. I cut this panel off, wired it up into the steering. I had a lot of extra wire because this was an 18-foot wire. So I just bundled that up and then wired it up through here. And then the wire comes out right here. So as you can see, there's no gauge. And what I was gonna do is mount this steering column pod thing behind right here, obviously. But unfortunately, we hooked everything up and it didn't work. Like, the gauge did not want to come on. Checked all the wiring, and I'll show you the fuses that we did. Right here we ran this adapter and another adapter. So right here is your constant, and up here is the ignition. So I tested these and they get power. So that leads me to my final conclusion that yeah, the gauge itself doesn't work. So now I emailed them and I'm just waiting on a response back. Hopefully they send me a new one. I imagine they will, because it didn't work. So once they send me a new one, I'm just gonna mount the gauge back up into here and close that off and get everything spick and span. So unfortunately, I can't show you guys the finished product because it doesn't work. So I'll just show you guys some other time. I'll just put it on and then show you in another video. But yeah, so I can definitely see why people don't recommend Glowshift, because mine didn't even work right off the rip. And other people say theirs don't work for like after 2 months, theirs stops working. So later down the line, I'll probably upgrade to something else. But right now, I'm just gonna stick with it. So sorry I couldn't show you the finished product. But yeah, it's a really easy job. As you can see, it's really simple. Just put the wires in and then zip tie them down the truck and then the fuses, and yeah, there's really not much to it. Pretty self-explanatory. But yeah, that's gonna be all for today. I try my best to upload every Monday. I'm gonna stick to that. So be on the lookout for my videos every Monday. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.